Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Imam, Uncle Samir, the new Muslim and the youth specialist. Listen, what's up with you youth? Gen Z, millennials, I am really surprised at all of you. When I was a kid, my brother took me out, taught me how to shine shoes when I was 10 years old. After that, took the money that I made, brought me a new box, and said, here, you got to spend some money to make something. Now you don't have to spend that much money. You, Gen Z and millennial, don't know what the world is like without the internet. How is it possible that you're not making money from something on the internet? Why are you still relying on your parents and others to give you money to do things you want and need to do? Why are you still slaving, working at a job while you're trying to go to school, or just working 2 and 3 jobs to try to make a couple of dollars? Why are you not making halal money online? It don't make sense. You can do so for no or little money. Now, my program that I'm with right now, especially now before Black Friday, look, 2. How many fingers I got? 2. 2 streams of income. It's time that you look to have more than one stream of income. You can do halal income online while you're in school, while you're working that other slave job that you're working, hurting yourself, doing all kinds of whatever, maybe doing working somewhere you ain't got no business working. But now, follow me. Let me show you how you can start to make money online, where it's halal and easy. 2 hours a day. That's all you need. You can find that from taking away from some of your scrolling time. When you just be scrolling on the internet, watching this video, watching that, and then figuring out after it's all done that it was a bunch of mess. Okay? 2 hours. 2 hours, less than $200. You spend more than that on earpods. You spend more than that on a pair of sneakers. Let me show you. Check out my link. Subscribe to my channel. I'm getting ready to do a 90-day run before Ramadan so that you can really have some money, serious money in your account by Ramadan. Show your parents that you are mature enough to make your own money without threatening your school career and stay halal. Subscribe to my channel. Hit my link. Check out the link in my video. Okay, go to my website, halaldailyincome.com. halaldailyincome.com. Check it out. Peace. Assalamu alaikum.